Beijing, day 3. Headed down to the restaurant to have breakfast while my wife and son is FaceTiming. He misses us. Where are you going? Oh, restaurant is that way. So let's go check out the food. All right, thank you. So this is the breakfast buffet. Check it out. Coffee, drinks, pastries, toast, whole bunch of buns. Help yourself. This is the one right there. Oh no, that's not. This way. Yeah. This whole steamer. The hot section here. Chinese noodles. Chicken nuggets. A Western style breakfast here. I don't know what that is. Some kind of cold meats, cold dishes, salad, fresh fruits, dragon fruit, yogurt, pastries, sweets. Oh, that is like pumpkin rolls, but red velvet. Okay. We got more hot food here. Seasonal vegetables. What is this? Tofu? Tofu and mushroom. Oh, a chicken. Oh, I really like sweet and sour. And that looks good, but I don't know about having this for breakfast. Probably eat it anyways. A little more of that Chinese cuisine, porridge. And we got the fried rice. Alright, definitely eating that. Chow mein. Boiled eggs. This is tofu pudding. Or is that tofu pudding? One of the two. Tofu soup. I don't know, but whatever it is, there's a lot of food here. You sitting back there? So that is the breakfast buffet. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna put it down and grab my food. Maybe coffee first. This is where we're sitting. Yeah.
What case is your team on Saturdays?
What's up, everybody? This is day 3 here at Beijing. I'm in the hotel lobby here at the Le Joy Hotel, and just about to start our day. We just had breakfast up at the buffet. Today we're gonna check out this park. I think it's called like Yingding Bridge. It's supposed to be a park. We're supposed to go at night, but because of the weather, it's been raining, super cold, kind of miserable. So we didn't really go to that park yet because of the weather. Wouldn't have been nice to go. So we're gonna go today, check it out real quick, My wife had to run back upstairs to grab a sweater, and then we're gonna head on out. But as I'm waiting down here in the lobby, check this thing out. One of the cool things about Asia, China in general, I noticed that they have like all these food delivery and package delivery area. You can just order food. It's kind of like their version of Grubhub and stuff. They'll deliver the food super fast, by the way. We see these guys all over the food court in the mall. They're just hustling to get these deliveries done. If you're staying here, simply order your food. These guys know to come here, go to this cabinet, drop it off. You get a notification saying that your delivery is here, and you can just come here and pick it up. Looks like the same goes for delivery packages too. One of the cool convenient things about traveling in China. We got concierge. We got I guess luggage storage. I don't know if it's considered their bell desk, or maybe concierge is both a bellman and concierge. And then as you come out into the port, here we go. Small port, small valet area, or I don't even know if they do valet, but there's always a doorman out here. This is the hotel we're staying at right here. It's the Le Joy Hotel. It's a nice Starbucks over here. They got a reserve in there too. Oh, I saw this car, man. Check this car out. Pretty cool looking EV here. It's like a minivan, but it kind of has like this matte finish on it. Looks super cool. It's called, I don't know, XPENG. Xpeng, or is it Gpeng? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what the brand is named. Super cool looking minivan. I don't know if this belongs to a guest staying in this hotel, but or it might be the hotel's vehicle, because it's been parked here right up front ever since the day we came in. And if that is the hotel vehicle, that's a pretty smooth looking vehicle to have. This hotel, the La Joy Hotel, is located in, I guess they call it the financial district, the CBD area. There's all these huge financial buildings over on that side. We got Tiananmen Square like a few blocks that way. So it's a pretty nice centralized area. It's good to stay somewhere where everything's just conveniently located. But my wife is coming down right now, and we are gonna head out. Catch you later. So we're right outside the hotel, headed to the train station, and we walked past this the other day, yeah, hun. There's all these I thought it was like gonna be a night market, but I think they're packing up like oh, this is like a carrier service. I thought it was like one of those manufacturers where, you know how you order, they manufacture and then they pack it out. I guess this is one of the parking entrance to the mall. Got the loading dock area back here. And check this out, you know you're in Asia when you come and you see an entire sea of mopeds. Look at how much mopeds we got here. Must at least have 100 mopeds. Oh, it goes all the way up there too. They got those blankets. You put your hand in there while you're riding, so your hands doesn't freeze up on you. See, like they all got them. See all of these over here, they got these jackets you put on the handlebars. Look at this. Oh, they got more cars. Okay, what's going on? Why they got it all laid out like that? And you think they come and they pick up their package here or something? Wow, this is wild. I wonder how this all works. And you know, this kind of stuff cannot happen back home because all these packages would go missing in a heartbeat. Look at all the mopeds. Any moped. Delivery. Tons of mopeds. And most of them is electric, like this moped right here. Can't even hear them coming. They just sneak up behind you. Kind of gotta watch yourselves. See, look, that one just went by. Couldn't even hear them. So we're headed to the train station right now. What are we doing, honey? Right or left? Gotta get off the road before I get run over by one of these mopeds. For being a capital city here in China with like millions of people here, city is very, very quiet. Mostly electric vehicles, yeah, hon. Electric vehicles, electric mopeds. Not too noisy, except for everybody beeping their horns. But other than that, with it being a city of, I don't know, I think over 10 million people. I'm kind of guessing that's how much people is in Beijing. The city is very quiet. Tons of China banks here. Bank of China head office building. And now we are coming up on one of the main streets over here. So this is one of the busier roads. Just like any other efficient, heavily populated cities, they got the overpass over here. Walk up, don't disturb traffic, keep it all going. Once again, tons of mopeds going all the way down. And this is where we're going right here. Xidan station. Small area map. Check out this metro station here. That is the Beijing metro station. Metro map thingy. What are we looking for? Line 1. Go ahead down into the train station. We're looking for line 1. There we go. Line 1. Pretty straightforward. The colors in this hallway reminds me of curry house. That's how easy it is to use the train in Beijing. Line 1. Going down. Beijing train stations clean like Japan's one, yeah, hun? Just like Japan, nice and clean, super efficient, easy to use. safe. Looks like a typical subway station. Glass doors. It's not like the open air ones in Tokyo, which is trains and not subways. This one you can like climb over and jump onto the tracks. Not that anybody would do that here in China, but that is how Beijing does theirs. Oh, because I just realized that we're on line 4. We're supposed to be on line 1. Oh, I see. Okay, so we gotta go down here and go back up. That's why.
请站稳并紧握扶手，不要倚靠电扶梯。Please stand firm and hold the handrail. Do not lean against the side of the escalator. 请站稳。
But this line 1 is kind of far. I thought when we came down, we'd kind of be there. But it's still going.
倾向不善，这一程较安全，感谢你的配合。Dear passengers, during the peak hour, please
Oh, we gotta go over here and go down.
Wait for the train in order to arrive.
So line 1, then we go right around the corner to go downstairs. I guess we're right above line 1.
乘客您好，地铁站内、车厢内或有推销产品或从事邮箱，如发现有影响运营秩序的行为，可拨打地铁热线9616或向现场工作人员反映。谢谢您的配合。
To Universal Resort.
乘客您好，为了您的家庭安全，下下列车即内程中，有环球度假区域中有的列车即将进站。The train bound for Universal Resort is arriving.
Kind of crowded, the Universal Resort train. Here it is. That's the station we gotta get off. All right, we. Line 8. And there we go. Jing is the train station we just got off of. Now we gotta head over to line 8. It's a green colored line 8. Oh, here we go. It's this way. Oh, that's like a line dance, fireworks. And we are here in line 8. Got here just in time. Right. And here we go. Shichahai train station. Now we gotta look for exit 2. A2. Sometimes when you're leaving the train stations, the walk can be kind of long before you find your gate. That's when you get all your steps in. So those days where you're walking 20,000 steps is pretty realistic. The first day we got here, I didn't really feel like we did much. Didn't feel like we walked around all that much, but after checking our steps, we did like 17,000. Didn't even feel like it. Kind of wonder what today's one's gonna be. Oh, yesterday we did the Great Wall of China, and it said we did like how many levels? 37, something like 37 stories we did. That was a lot of stairs we did yesterday. But another good thing about traveling to China is they have massages everywhere. Everywhere you go, there's always like a 24/7 foot massage place you can go and get your foot and legs massage. Yesterday we was kind of sore. We did the full body, and then the night before, we just did feet. Probably go back again tonight. Too easy. And now we exit. Oh, was this the exit, huh? Oh, gotta be. We're already here, so we gotta go out. Oh, that's A1 to the left. Oh, right there, A2 to the left as well. There we go, that's what we're looking for, A2. Oh, we're outside already. That was like the first street performer I ever saw here in Beijing so far. Going this way or sideways? See what I mean? Like, look at all the traffic here. You don't even hear cars. It's super quiet. The only thing making noise is everybody honking their horns. But the vehicle itself is super quiet. Bikes, electric mopeds, electric vehicles. And I think we see where we're going straight ahead. Some boats right on the lakes. You can hire the guys to ride you around on the bikes, and you just hang out right in this area.
It's okay.
Oh, no, thank you. Oh, the water is pretty clear.
Proportion 220，
这个
这个是时间长一点，这个的这个长线也，这个先走这松青岭，一直在欧的胡同， 再给你拉回来。
Oh, no, let's do this one.
You just
对
you
对
can-
对对，这条线。
30 minutes?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
30 minutes. Yeah.
We'll
Good,
try
good.
it.
OK.
Okay.
Yeah， 对对，可以了。
All right. So there's these guys. You can pay them to just take you around on their bike.
来，隧道。
We pay now.
Yeah， 这个。
$300.
Yeah。领导一车300再付款。上吧。
哎，
比钱还累。
Hey, let the fun begin. We get Uncle taking us around, getting paid while getting a workout. Oh, this is better than walking. You. Good call, hon. So I guess this area has a lot of, well, at least in this section, there's a lot of food. You can try all kind of good Chinese dishes, treats, some kind of noodle dish there. There's a lot of this. Everywhere you go, there's like these sticks with the meat and the beef on it. See, over here too. Ice cream, dessert. Then you can do some shop. Oh no, that's a restaurant too. Kind of looks like Hot Pot. More foodie places there.
你跟这下一下车。我给拍一下照。
Take picture?
这个点对。
Okay.
我推我也，我给。那个 no no。
This is relaxing. More restaurants. Oh, that guy is fast. So that's where we are.
这是后海、前海，合起来叫四岔海。
Ah,
你这个满的堤吧，那个就是好多庙。
oh, okay. So you come over here. There's a lot of these guys with the
欧的
bikes.
北京，欧的北京，欧的红洞。
He's getting us a tour. Oh yeah, we're gonna go in the city and eat.
Oh, is that where this goes?
Yeah, along the lake and through the
Okay. Well, anyways, if you're in Beijing, come visit this park. I think it's worth a stop. I'm starting to feel like I'm enjoying this park way more than I thought I would. It's really nice. Hire one of these guys to take you around. 300. What is that, like 40, 50 bucks. Let's do the conversion. $42 for this. Then probably tip at the end. Well worth it. At least this guy we got is doing a good job. Stops by, take a bunch of pictures for us. tells us about the park, tells us about the city. May not quite understand what he's saying, but kind of get the gist of it.
This is China Kung Fu. Tai
Oh,
Chi.
look at that.
Tai Chi, yeah.
Tai Chi. Chinese Kung Fu. Look at everybody going. Ours are going slow because I kind of heavy. He getting his workout. That one had two petite little ladies on it so they could go fast. Oh, look at this guy. He must be new because he's going hard. I thought that was the name of the guys that was trying to be blocked out of the wall. Isn't that the name? What it is, yeah. Wait, Futong means food area as well? I thought Futong was what you slept on.
8.
Oh, Futong.
这是小翔凤虫虫。这是明代吧，这是清代吧。
Oh, really? Oh. He's saying that that this wall was around since the Qing dynasty? Wow. That's an old wall.
上新的是 new 的。
And then the upper is the newer.
Prince Bong's mansion.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Qing
Qing dynasty. This wall's been around since then. So I guess this is the one of the prince's mansion right here.
Gong.
Prince Palace.
Gong's palace.
Ah, Prince Gong's palace. This thing is huge. Look at that. It goes all the way down. Man, you see this over here? Apparently all over in China they got these public workout stations. Works like a treadmill. You can do like certain ones do upper body workouts, legs, lower body, squats, bicep curls. This is still the prince's palace. I wonder who that guy is. Got a statue. He must be somebody. This thing is it's pretty worth it because you get somebody take you around, show you things, take pictures. Just give them your cell phone and they'll take photos for you. He does a really good job too. Pictures are turning out really nice. Without him,
Mansion.
oh. What mansion?
Paul's mansion.
This used to be a prince's mansion, and then now it's being used as a school. Is that what it said?
No, different. That was the mansion. This is
No, that thing said it was a mansion too.
no, but it was so. It's not the princess. I don't know. He's too fast. I gotta read.
And that's what it said on the thing. Hey, look, a Bronco in China.
I don't know who this Biao Tao's man. I don't know who that is. Tao mansion.
And now being used as a school and a, did you say park? What's this? Never hear one gas engine long time. Everything electric. See how it's on. First started going down that oh look, packing
Look
up.
at there.
Where what?
There's so much.
北京朋友啊，家家面房店里面可以免费吃面啊。
Peking up.
我从这里看不见普利的宫帕拉斯。
Oh,
Palace
see?
Museum.
Palace. It's the entrance. Look free to go in, yeah? Or maybe when you go inside, you gotta. Oh yeah, you look like you gotta pay.
Palace Museum. Springs involved.
It says Prince Gong's Mansion.
I will read it later. I feel like we have to
The one that looked like your pumpkin rolls,
It looks, yeah.
but it's
Cinnamon
different
roll.
flavors. Yeah, I saw it on our buffet. Had it. Did you try it?
No. I'm not gonna. I'd rather.
Oh, look at this area. It's getting a little more
tourist.
crowded.
This is like a tour.
Kind of coming back around. Oh, I wonder.
Chili coming up. The sun ran away. It's okay. It was.
Oh, you got walking food over here now. Interesting. What is that?
Sports school.
Oh.
Yeah, look.
Oh, our Olympians. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Sports.
那边是北海 Park， 北海 Park。
So what, they come over here to train? One of the facilities? Somebody's getting their hand warmers. Or look, tour. This is kind of the way to do it when you travel. Do tours,
Take the bicycle.
spend your money, give it to the guys working to show you around the city. Because without them, unless you do like a lot of homework, research and stuff, probably miss out on a lot. So. Travel,
这个对了 ，Lotus
spend money on the
Market，
locals. Okay.
Lotus Market。
Okay.
The street market is the outer one.
Spend your money into the local economy so these guys can make a living, and at the same time they show you around, tell you about the city, save your energy for other things. If you want to walk through, that's nice. Get your steps in, get your exercise, experience things a little different. Hiring a local to take you around and show you everything that's in the area is a good way to do it. But overall, this was a good experience. I liked it. It was worth it. a drink or a
The
thing in a
yellow
container?
Because it's even at our hotel.
What do you think that is?
That's we were on.
Yeah,
That's the bridge.
Yeah. Oh, this is the bridge. Oh wait.
No, we're on the opposite side.
So this is the boats that we were standing right in front. Yeah, okay. We're towards the end. I think we just gotta go over the bridge.
The drum tower and the bell tower.
Oh, that's the bell tower.
Okay.
That's where I got it, but it's the distance away.
Looks close, but it's far.
It's further away, but that's the more north of the places I caught. This is
Let's go pay one of you guys to drive us. If you listen.
黑了烟袋斜街，烟袋斜街，
Okay.
这个窝贝，
Did you say ube?
那个烟袋斜街，窝贝，也40 minutes 就走到头了。
30 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Finish.
Thank you. So that concludes our bike ride. Definitely recommend doing that if you guys come here or spot anywhere else that offers it. Didn't even have to walk, he just pedaled us around this whole area. It's pretty fast. It's only like 30 minutes, yeah, hon. 30 minutes.
Like taking photos.
Stopping, taking photos. Like I said before, he take good photos. Everything came out nice. Left him a tip at the end. He was happy. We happy. And now we can just walk around. Maybe try something that's calling our name. Man, look at this place. It's happening. Oh look, tons of magnets on you can. You got your magnet for you. Oh, there's that cinnamon roll thing. Oh, this is the one he tried. You know that video that we watched that he came here? I think he tried the green one and he didn't like it. I think it was the green one. I think it's matcha. So what's the brown one that's down here? Oh, white sesame seed. Oh no, this is chocolate.
He didn't like it because it was matcha. I
Yeah.
would choose matcha either. Chocolate. That's really. How much is it?
Okay, we're gonna try this. I think it's like a mochi, yeah? Oh, she cuts it up for you. Oh, nice. So I was kind of wondering if you have to bite into it. But she cut it for us. And then sprinkled something on it. There's those sticks again. Hey, is that called a kebab? The sticks? Just went to the public bathroom down the way there. And I gotta say, in China, when it comes to public restrooms, there's a lot of them. So finding a restroom is not really an issue. It's just when you find one and you go in it, definitely does not smell all that great. But when you gotta go, you gotta go. At least there's a lot of them around. We're headed back down. Towards the eating area, shopping area. Tons of stalls that you can try like a whole bunch of these foods. What do you think about shopping? Oh, it looks like chocolate.
It's chocolate. Reminds me of Roy.
Oh, that's cool.
Love that.
Wow. See, that's peach, right? I think that's peach. When we were at the Great Wall, Rani said,
What was inside?
yeah, I think she said peach, but it was hot. I went over there. It had steam coming out.
But you can choose
You want to just try it? You want to get one?
a peach drink.
Yeah, let's try it. Try Oscar. Is that? No. Oh look, it has the thing you're talking about too. Which one do you want to try, hon? A drink. As far as a drink, did you want that or do you want to try this?
No, I didn't want to try that. Oh, you can try it.
Okay, this one and this one. I thought we were gonna share, but it's okay. No, it's okay. Try them both. At least if the one I get is junk, then okay.
There's a bee.
A B?
Oh look, this is the thing.
Yeah, the one you tried yesterday. Scan. Scan here.
This is.
Hey.
来，这边是海参馆皮补园。
我们来2杯热热的。好。
Han, come and grab yours. Shichahai.
这是啥呀？这个。
Oh yeah, see, it is warm.
Yogurt.
What? Well, did yours come out of the same thing as mine? She just added peach to it. Is that what it is?
Mine's came out of the refrigerator.
Oh,
His
she,
favorite.
mine is she poured out. Yeah, she scooped it out of the thing. It's not what I was expecting. I mean, it doesn't taste bad. Just no more much taste. Tastes like tea.
Good. Maybe I'm gonna have to drink that. Oh, here's the tea room.
Oh wait, but you get a whole bunch of whatever that is in the bottom. Like a boba drink, but it's not boba. It's some chunks of whatever is floating around in that thing. Pieces of fruit, I guess.
Give me your drink.
I don't know. I guess I was expecting it to be sweet.
Yeah.
Because if it's yeah, see, good thing we got both. Because I figure if had peach in here, peaches are kind of sweet, right? So I was kind of expecting the sweetness to come. I don't know. Whatever. Imagine taking fruit and putting it in a boiling pot of water. I think that's what this is, fruit and whatever that black stuff was swirling around in there. Maybe you gotta add honey or sugar to this thing. It'll be alright. Okay.
之所写最近大概需要摆上千件小仪式，
There we
这
go.
进行一项考验技术的工作，更是
You gotta pull the straw out of the bottom. You see over there? Get all that stuff on the bottom. Pull the straw out of that and then sip. I think that's the way to go. Jewelry. What is this thing called?
Chocolate mochi.
I don't like it. I figured chocolate it would be sweet. Oh. Do you like it? Ugh. I'm gonna spit it out, but there's nowhere to spit it out. Oh, oh, here's that thing.
我们在成都遇见的这种事儿太多了。你说他妈3块5块的，你够一个人的手工吗？
来，开放土地25也对。哎，你拿一拿。
天，咱就从这儿坐地铁回去吧。
哎，你找一下携带机。That's a bell tower?
Looks like it. Wanna go check it out? Oh, here. Check that out. There wasn't so much people, it'd be a good area to take a picture. So I noticed here in China, where there's like big crowds of people, touristy areas. Where is that Tiananmen Square? They got this thing at the busy crosswalks. So it's closed when the light is green, and then when everybody starts crossing, there's a guy that extends this out across the crosswalk so cars can't just drive through the crowd. Pretty efficient way to control the crowd and traffic. Oh, a lot of people here in China. They're horn happy.
Right in the middle of the crosswalk.
Well, who was beeping? The bus?
Behind it.
The bus? Oh, I thought it was a car beeping its horn.
Why would you pick up people in the middle of a crosswalk?
Because that's how they do in Beijing. Where would you like him to pull over? No more nowhere else. So that's the bell tower, drum tower. So is the bell tower something different, or are you just saying bell tower, but it's the drum tower?
One more tower right here.
Oh, that's the bell tower. Way over there is the bell tower. Turn around. Does it look like you can go shopping in this area, walking around? Oh, this is a pretty nice area. Look at that. Trees, whole bunch of shops. Pretty chill. pretty laid back area. It's not too crowded, not too many people. What is today? Friday. It's Friday. It's about 1-2 p.m. maybe. There's not a lot of people. So I guess after the holiday, things really mellow out. Wanna cross? Oh wait.
I'll cross when someone else crosses.
For whatever reason, I thought it had a light.
No lights here.
But look, it's pretty chill, yeah, hon. Not too much people. Very laid back. So we're gonna head down there. Just gotta wait. The bus is letting us pass. Very nice of him. First Chinese driver to stop for us while we're crossing the street. Greatly appreciate that. And see that here? So all over China, they got those bikes that you can rent. I think you just do it on Alipay. Scan the QR code, grab the bike, ride it to where you gotta go, and when you're done, just, I don't know what you do if you click on the app and just leave the bike. I think there's some kind of tracking device on it, so company can keep track of all their bikes. But there's hundreds or thousands of those bikes all throughout the city. You can just rent them. There's a QR code on it. The city is very bike friendly. It'll be a different story when we go to Chongqing. I think Chongqing's not gonna have bikes like this. They said it's too many hills. You can't ride the bike up and down those hills. Here we go. These are one of the bikes right over here. Yeah, you see? So you just scan it. There's Alipay, WeChat. There's a QR code. QR code right over there. You just scan the QR code. And I think it unlocks the bike so you can start riding. Pretty cool. What is that supposed to be like? No, this.
No? A place to take a photo.
The drum tower is huge. Look at that. Big old drum tower. And then the bell tower back there. I'm done with this. This one don't got power banks in it, but if it did, can also rent on a power bank over here too. Vending machine. Bro, these bikes, one thing I notice is people forget stuff in them. Like this one, get one flask in them. Oh, right there. Oh, is that even a power bank? That one looked different.